Alright, welcome back everybody, and today we're going to be taking a look at how to activate the programs. So if you've just gotten the new update, or if you've just received the programs, then they're not actually active yet. There's still a couple of steps you need to take. So if we jump onto a calculator page, for example, if you go to this catalog menu, and in here, if you're on the 6th tab, this is where all the programs live. They're all nicely sorted in these categories right here. If we go to methods function, for example, and go to this analyze program that everyone loves to use, and if we put in, for example, xwed with respect to x, for example, click enter, and notice that there's this message that pops up. It says that the EULA is not set to 1, and we need to find this eula.tns file in the mylib folder. So this just means that the program isn't active yet, and we need to make a couple of changes to the settings. So if we go back to our home screen, so exit out, and if we go to my documents, and we want to find the mylib folder, and there it is all the way down there, and if we click enter, open that up, notice that there's this EULA document right at the top there waiting for you. So just click into it. We don't need to save this, so we'll just press no. And once the EULA document is opened up, there's a couple of messages here you can read through. You can go onto the next page to read the end user license agreement, or if you go back, notice that there's this EULA thing right here, and that's set to 0. It's equal to 0, but we want that thing to be a 1. So in order to change that, it's really quite simple. All you need to do is move your cursor around, make sure you click on to that 0 there, so you're entered into the red box, and get rid of that 0 first of all. We don't need that 0, and you just want to put in a 1 there. So now this EULA should be equal to a 1, and right after that, make sure you click enter. It has to say done there. So once it says done, just follow these steps right here. So click Control S. That's going to save the document. So it's going to save it, and you want to press Doc 6, and that's going to refresh all the libraries for you, and everything should be good to go. So once that's done, let's go back to our document. So let's go for a new document again. Let's add a calculator, and we'll go to our catalog menu right here. Let's go back to the analyze program. So we'll go to our analyze, and let's actually go for a trig function. Let's go for sine of x, and we'll do that with respect to x. Click out enter, and notice this program should run. As you can see, it's asking for us for a domain, so let's put in a 1 because it's a trig function. We'll go from 0 to, I don't know, 2 pi. And there you go, the program's working. So once you've done that EULA thing, once you've set the EULA to 1, all the programs should be active and everything should be good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video, and I'll see everyone in the next one.